Morning guys, your sleepyhead Monkey London here. 7 in the morning and we're off to Eurocharged in Birmingham to get this old beast of a wagon, this old C63 Remapped. Oh, excuse me. So yeah, I'm off to Eurocharged, basically going to remap the car with their latest V5 map, which should give me hopefully about 530 horsepower. Even though I thought I left nice and early, somehow we're already in fucking traffic. Pretty much standard. The problem with these cars, you can't stop putting your foot down all the time and pointlessly wasting petrol. Right, I'm just going to stop and have a quick cigarette. Smoking's bad, kids, don't do it. Right, had my ciggy, put my tobacco away, nice and tidy. I'm a bit OCD. One of the good things about the estate cars, you can open the boot from the passenger seat. Oh, passenger seat, driver's seat. So yeah, this is what it sounds like now. Sounds pretty good actually, to be fair. Everyone in the car park's looking at me like I'm strange. Right, let's get back on the motorway. Let's get down to Eurocharged.
We're giving me booze and pills. You missed a fantastic party, Mom.
Loud noises coming soon. There we go. MSL. Woohoo! Yeah, we'll just have a little look around MSL performance. Got the chaps at Torque Flow doing my exhaust work. Oh, this is a bit of a monster. You alright, fella? This V12 bi-turbo. Fucking hell, look at this beast. Is it a black series? Look at this. What are you doing if you don't mind me asking?
Upgrade turbo for more power.
Really?
Now it's 550, now we maybe 700-800.
Fucking hell, monster. So yeah, this is having some bigger turbos put on it, so yeah, should be pretty monstrous when it's done. So yeah, this is the MSL Performance dyno. Hopefully get my car on a little bit later, see what she's pushing. Right, this is one of the owners of MSL. Was it 800 horsepower? Yeah, 800 horsepower C63. So yeah, a bit of a beast. We like it. Do you want to just start it up? Oh, this is a bit of me. Hopefully a bit of you as well. Oh, Jesus Christ. Makes mine sound quiet, man. Makes me want to straight by mine. So yeah, pretty much got straight pipes. We're going to get it mapped now, get a Eurocharged V5 map on there, live map it. So yeah, hopefully should be getting around sort of 550. But look, I'm not chasing numbers. It's all about my butt dyno. But yeah, no, hopefully it should get some good power now. Nice bit of flame, 560 horsepower, not bad for naturally aspirated, so yeah, one happy boy.